Preparing for the National Medical Admission Test or NMAT can be quite overwhelming, lalo na with all the requirements, schedules, and details na kailangan mong tandaan. To guide you through the process, I'm going to answer the most common questions about the NMAT, covering registration fees, requirements, test format, and test coverage. I'm Mau, and I will help you be NMAT ready. Teka muna, wag ka muna mag-register sa NMAT hanggat di mo alam to mga bagay na to. I'm Mau and welcome to another video of Be NMAT Ready, your ultimate guide to everything you need to know about the NMAT. What are the requirements to register in NMAT? The requirements are a test fee of 1,900 pesos for local slots or $60 for international slots. A recent digital copy of your 2x2 photo. Now, after registering online and paying, you must send one of the following to NMAT requirements at cem-inc.org.ph. This may be a transcript of records or certificate to graduate or school enrollment or registration form. The subject of the email should be formatted as application number _ complete name _ scheduled test date. Example, 2025-108-336 _ 1 Garcia de la Cruz _ May 9, 2026, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. So how do I register for the online NMAT? First is go to the CEM NMAT website. We have www.cem-inc.org.ph/nmat and then create an account and fill out the registration form. Then, upload your required documents. And lastly, pay the test fee via DragonPay or other listed channels and then wait for CEM's confirmation email. Don't forget to check also on your spam folder. So what should I take note when registering? First is to use a laptop or a desktop when applying because the mobile version often causes errors, especially during payment. Second, ensure a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. And lastly, if you're paying through e-wallets or mobile banking, make sure you've cashed in or you have enough balance before applying.